AI is developing quickly, opening up a world of artistic and useful applications, such as voice cloning and art creation. We will examine the top outstanding AI tools that are now on the market. Newbit.com. AI Music. With Newbit.com, you can compose your own AI songs. To create a unique audio track, you can input a prompt such as Drake rapping rap, or select from a variety of genres and moods. Lexicon. Art. The process of creating art is made easier by Lexicon, an AI art generator. Even for complex ideas, artwork can be generated from descriptions. To view AI-generated photos that resemble notable persons, like Elon Musk, you may also input their names. Uberduck.ai. This platform allows you to create AI rap with well-known voices, such as rappers like Drake. Though not for use in a commercial capacity, it's a great tool for creating amusing rap lyrics. ChatGPT extensions. Chat's functionality is improved by 2 Chrome extensions. YouTube videos are summarized by Summary with ChatGPT, and several prompt templates are provided by AI Prompt for ChatGPT to generate different kinds of content. AI art using NVIDIA Canvas. NVIDIA Canvas is an app that lets you use AI to make art. It offers a variety of brushes and styles so that you can make your artwork. Once your artwork is created, you can also alter its style. Replicates.com for image restoration. Replicates.com is a great resource for vintage picture restoration. Images that have faded or been damaged can be examined and their original quality can be restored. An important development in image restoration is this tool. Descript.com voice cloning. A special voice cloning capability is available on Descript.com. You can make an artificial intelligence (AI) vocal clone by recording a 10-minute clip of your voice. Making ensuring the clone sounds like you is crucial. Beyond voice cloning, this technology offers a wide range of possible applications. Big Color for color correction. Big Color is an artificial intelligence program that gives grayscale photos the correct colors. To enhance the color quality of your restored photographs, you can upload them. Lumalabs.ai for 3D modeling. Lumalabs.ai allows you to create 3D models from videos. By recording an object from different angles, the AI can convert it into a 3D model. This is achieved without the need for specialized equipment like LiDAR sensors. Supermeme.ai. An AI for generating memes. An AI tool called Supermeme.ai is devoted to producing memes. It may be used to enter prompts and will provide a range of amusing meme choices. The meme's wording can also be edited. Using Kyber.ai to create AI videos. Kyber.ai is an image-to-AI video platform. An AI animation can be created by selecting an image, typing a prompt, choosing a style, and so on. To create original content, you may even blend your film with AI-generated video. These artificial intelligence technologies demonstrate the remarkable possibilities of AI in a range of imaginative and useful applications. They only scratch the surface of the enormous opportunities AI presents to change the way we produce and engage with digital content. Future breakthroughs in AI technology should bring up even more astounding discoveries.